Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mustard oregano fenugreek drink with lemon. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are very healthy and they are good source of several vitamins including vitamin C and K, thiamin, riboflavin, vitamin B6 and folic acid. They have a high percentage of dietary fiber and a valuable source of several bioactive compounds such as antioxidants and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good enough. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Oregano is a natural antibiotic, lowers cholesterol, is a powerful antioxidant, treats yeast infection, improves gut health, have anti-inflammatory properties, helps to relieve pain and has cancer fighting properties. Add 1 leaf to the mug. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart and blood pressure and relieves pain. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink in an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.